Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face some of the most thrilling rides on the planet? Then come with us and face your thrills! Today on Face Your Thrills, we were at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. And in this weird video, we're going to ride Montu! Montu is a chain lift roller coaster, carrying riders to 150 feet. With a top speed of 60 miles an hour. Check it out! Then come with us and face your thrills!
Before we hop on this ride, make sure to subscribe, like button to watch more videos like this! And I hear this is a fast ride!
Oh my goodness, Colin! We're gonna land in the parking lot, buddy!
Maybe.
Probably my favorite rider so far. Although the twists and turns are really push you back.
Montu was amazing. I love it. There is 7 versions. I just loved it. I rode in the back, so it was awesome. This ride is fast. I promise any 7-year-old could totally handle it.
Montu was a really cool ride. It was my favorite ride until Iron Gwazi came. It just took front seat. Montu is still a really cool ride, and any 11-year-old can totally handle it. Face your thrills.